Okay, good morning. Let's try this the other way. So I found that with Quick Player you can do a video of your face and then another video separately with your programs, so recording your screen, your desktop, and all the things that you want. And then you just attach the two videos together, so it should work. Okay, to end this exercise, we have calculated our variable y. And then we need to transform this variable as a normal distribution. So we take its mean off and then divide it by the population standard deviation. Y, which is the male mice in controlled diet, and we have taken their body weights, we now transform it in a normal distribution, taking off its mean and reproportionally it with the population standard deviation. This variable z, it's made of values that are within centered in 0. Okay, so to calculate the proportion, we need to consider the mean, but of its absolute value, and we want all the values that are below 1. And this answer the question of this exercise. What is the proportion of the mice that are within 1 standard deviation away from the average weight, means calculating the mean of our variable z, and we require that this proportion, we are interested in the proportion of z which is less than 1. Okay. The last bit of these exercises ask that to make a comparison between the other mice, so the females, and in different diet. Note that the number of the normal distribution and our weights are relatively close. And also notice that we are indirectly comparing quantiles of the normal distribution to quantiles of the mouse weight distribution. We can actually compare all quantiles using a QQ plot. For this reason, we now want to make a comparison of the other side of our data set. I set my window to have two plots, and then just as I did it before, I have the male in controlled diet and its plot. I have the female in controlled diet and its plot, and then the male in high fat food and the female in high fat food. As you see, female and male in controlled diet and male and female in high fat food are all normally distributed. To see this more specifically, we can do a replication of a sample, of our sample, made randomly, and answering the question, what is the average of the distribution of the sample average? we can use the command replicate to make replication of 10,000 mean, so 10,000 times our proportion of a random sample of our variable y for 25 mice. I set the seed to 1 because I want that these random numbers are freezed just as replicated the first time. So they won't change if I run this bit again. And then I like to see the plots. As you can see, we have an histogram and the previous QQ plot. And as you can see, it's normal distributed variable. And here is its distribution in terms of quantiles. And then we calculate the average, which is 31. Okay, it's all for today. Bye now.